Alisha from Road Coffee here, and we are myth-busting coffee edition. Today we have Robert La Prairie here joining us. Robert, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do?
Yeah, for sure. So I am an associate professor at the College of Pharmacy and Nutrition at the University of Saskatchewan, and I'm also the research chair in drug discovery and development. I have been working for a little over a decade in discovering and designing new drugs for receptors in the human body. My main home base or area of focus is actually cannabis-based drugs and psychedelics, but happy to talk about other mind-altering substances like caffeine today.
That sounds great and super interesting. Maybe another day we'll have to dive into some of that. Robert, tell us, how does caffeine affect the human body?
Yeah, for sure. So in the human body, we have receptors on our neurons, and these receptors, they're little protein machines that basically take a signal from the outside world and send that message inside the cell to give the cell specific instructions to do things. One of these receptors that we have is called an adenosine receptor. We have adenosine receptors all over our neurons. And normally, the job of the adenosine receptor is to help us feel drowsy or sleepy. That's its main jam. But caffeine is an adenosine receptor antagonist. Or to put it another way, caffeine blocks and inhibits adenosine receptors. So that means that those neurons that would normally cause you to feel drowsy can't do their job, and as a consequence, you feel awake and alert and excited. So caffeine is present to stop adenosine from working, and then in that it does all sorts of things throughout your brain, like stimulating your vasomotor and your respiratory centers, so you're breathing faster, and suppressing other centers that would normally make you feel drowsy, as well as doing things like increasing your heart rate and increasing your gut movement or your GI motility.